so hey Mary, this is a baby shower for Mary. Just want to say congratulations, Mary, for your first baby.
Congratulations, Mary and Jack, for having a baby girl. This is your first child. I'm so happy for you guys, and I wish you guys the best. Good luck.
Hi, Mary. Congratulations on your first baby. You're going to be such a good mom. You're so good here to us at work. I know you're going to do amazing at being a mom. Yeah, congratulations.
Hi, Mary and Jack. Congratulations on your new baby. Firstborn. So excited. It's going to be Scorpio and born in a dog year, just like me. So hope she will be a good daughter and bring happiness to you too. Congratulations.
All right, hi, this is Ronnie here. So we are at the baby shower. We are here celebrating Mary and Jack. So we are celebrating for them. So hope they have a very smooth delivery. Getting ready for the sleepless nights. First time for Mary and Jack, exciting. With that said, congratulations.
Hi Mary and Jack, congratulations on your baby girl Megan. I hope you become a very great parents and also very good mother and father for the baby. And also I pray that the baby will be a very healthy baby. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Congratulations, Mary. This is your baby shower. We're here right now having a buffet with you. Again, congratulations on you having a girl. And to you, I mean, you and Jack as well. I hope it's a healthy baby. And good luck to parenthood.
Hi, Mary and Jack. Congratulations on your pregnancy. This is your firstborn. I pray that you'll have a smooth delivery and pregnancy, and God will give you both as parents wisdom on how to raise these kids. Congratulations once again. We're very happy for you.